What?
Huh?
What?
What do you want?
I want you.
You want me how? Am I your boyfriend? What is wrong with you?
Your skin just attracts.
Leave me. Everywhere is hot. See the way you're sweating. I'm sweating too. You're touching me. I'm feeling somehow. Please stop.
Babe, calm down. Calm down. Why are you shouting now?
Because I'm not into this. I'm not a man.
See, you will come back for more. You will come back for more.
Stop, please. Stop.
Baby, you calm down now.
I don't want it. I don't like
You
it.
will like it. You will enjoy it. And just allow me. Babe, see skin. See skin, babe.
Oh.
Babe, now. Oh my God.
Does your boyfriend know that you're into this?
I don't have a boyfriend. Me, I will
What
stay.
of that one that used to come back with you?
That is my brother. Babe, calm down.
I'm not into this. It's going to be difficult for me to adapt to this.
You will like it though. Just one time like this, you will come back for more. I'm not making mouth.
Then what would I benefit from it?
I will take care of you.
I can take care of myself. Like, tell me the particular thing I can benefit from it.
Babe, you see this particular thing? If I do it, if I put this my tongue like this, don't do that though. Don't do it. I don't like it.
Because
Babe, just open your leg for me like this. Just open the drain. Just open the way for me. Let me just enter. Babe, you will like it. Babe.
Are you sure about this?
You will enjoy it. Don't worry, after this, I'll take it out.